Can anybody find me somebody to love? Ooh, yeah. Each morning I get up.
Empezamos Bugaders, la presa. Esto promete.
Lord, what you doing to me? I spent all my years believing you, but I just can't get no relief. Lord, somebody, ooh, somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? Yeah. I work hard every day of my life. I work till I ache in my bones. At the end, I take home my heart and bed all on my own. Get down on my knees and I start to pray till the tears run down from my eyes. Lord, somebody, ooh, somebody, can anybody find me? Every day I try and I try and I try, but everybody wants to bring me down. They say I'm going crazy. They say I got a lot of water in my brain. I got no common sense, got nobody left to believe in.
Bueno,
Pues acabada Bugaders y empezamos Sajolida.
9 metres, 6 metres.
Somebody, ooh, somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? Anybody find me someone to feel like I know rhythm. I just keep losing my beat. I'm okay, I'm alright. I ain't gonna face no defeat. I just gotta get out of this prison cell. One day I'm gonna be free. Lord, find me somebody to love. 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 Find me, find me somebody to love. Somebody, 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 find me somebody, find me somebody to love. Anybody find me somebody to love. Find me somebody to love. Find me somebody to love. Find me, baby. Find me, baby. Find me, find me, find me, find me, find me. Ooh, somebody to love. Ooh. Find me somebody to love. Anybody, anywhere, anybody, anywhere, find me somebody to love. Find me, find me, find me. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy, because I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. Anyway the wind blows doesn't really matter to me, to me. Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, but now I've gone and thrown it all away. Mama, ooh, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, as if nothing really matters. Too late, my time has come, send shivers down my spine, body's aching all the time. Goodbye everybody, I've got to go, gotta leave it all behind and face the truth. Mama, I don't wanna die, I sometimes wish I'd never been born at I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, Galileo, Galileo Figaro. I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family. Spare him his life from this monstrosity. Easy come, easy go, will you let me go? Bismillah, no, we will not let you go. Let him go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let him go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let me go. We'll not let you go. Let me go. We'll not let you go. Let me go. No, 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 no. Oh, Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia, let me go. He has a book, has a devil put aside for me, for me, for me.
Hemos acabado la Sajolida y empezamos ahora la del Pont. ¡Uy, qué me caigo! La del Pont.
Pues no cargas un filo.
Hey friends, help us get this video to 50,000 likes and we'll do another collab with all 3 girls. Huge thanks to Audra from 1st to 11, Lauren Babic and Violet Orlandi for doing this with us. We've done collabs on all of their channels, including Somebody Loved by Queen on 1st to 11's channel. Go and check below for all those collabs. We perform live on Twitch 3 times a week. It's super fun. Stop in sometime and say Queen so we know where you found us. If you want to support what we do, please consider joining Patreon. There's tons of cool perks there, like exclusive live streams, early access to the covers, and more. Also, exciting news, guys. We are dropping a brand new single in just a couple of weeks, so please be checking back. Don't forget